the blueprint for problem solving. 5 steps, but 5 is well, optional. The first one is we represent the quantities involved using variables. So that's your R. Let's try to come up with acronym here so we can easily remember the steps in solving applications or word problems. Step 2, write an equation using variables. So that would be E. Third step, solve the equation. That's your S. And write your answer using a complete sentence. That's your fourth step, A. And the fifth step, you can check your solution with the original words in the problem. So just simply double checking your answer. And the acronym for this blueprint is RESA. Well, RESA, R-E-S-A. So remember RESA in solving word problems, RESA. Let us now look at this first problem here. Find the complement of an angle measuring 64 degrees. So what are we looking for? The complement of an angle measuring 64 degrees. Okay. Let me remove this in the meantime. So we are looking for the complement of an angle measuring 64 degrees. So let's put here your step 1 R. Reza. Okay, step 1. All right. So we let X be the complement, a complement of the angle that measures 64 degrees. Okay, let me just put that one shorter. Okay. Let X be the complement of the angle measuring 64 degrees, or just in short of 64 degrees. Let's find the equation. What equation can we use here? It's a complement. So the equation that we can use here will simply be using, of course, the formula. Our formula here, which is measure of angle 1 plus measure of angle 2 equals 90 degrees. Let's say our X is the first angle. So let that be X. And measure of angle 2, which is 64 degrees. That's equal to 90 degrees. All right, that's our second step. Our third step is solution. Let's solve. All right, to solve for this, we subtract both sides by 60 by 64 degrees minus 64 degrees. It's very similar to what we did before. Okay, only that we complete the steps. So we bring down X, and 64 minus 64 is 0. 90 minus 64. Now 0 is now 10 by regrouping, and 9 is now 8. 10 minus 4, 6, 8 minus 6, 2. So you have 26 degrees. All right, so to complete the step, we can write here the complement measures the complement of the angle that measures 64 degrees is 26 degrees. All right, so that's our answer.